Version of the Royal Navy, providing the Royal Navy helicopter display team for 2024. The Black Cats. Since the Sharks disbanded, in the and Black Tournament of the squadron training the latest generation of Wildcat aircrew in maritime strike capabilities. This is now the only dedicated maritime attack helicopter in the UK's inventory. A variety of weapons at its disposal, including .50 caliber machine guns, torpedoes, marklet, and C-7 missiles. To reposition coming up. As Mark mentioned, this is a multi-service asset, just as the Lynx was, with the Wildcat also in service with the Army Air Corps, where now it forms part of what was Joint Helicopter Command and is now Joint Aviation Command. Yeah, that's right. The name changed about 2 or 3 months ago, without much of a fanfare, I must say. And we've been changed to Joint Aviation to encompass the proliferation within the British Armed Forces of unmanned air systems. Coming straight back in towards us now. deployed to the Middle East in 2018, and out there was one of the pilots who was involved in seizing a record amount of drugs, £145 million worth, more than had ever been seized by a UK warship in the region as part of anti-piracy and smuggling efforts. Now, the pair brings the
which reduces the radar cross-section of the aircraft, and also diffused jet reflux, which reduces the infrared signature of the aircraft against the red flag.
Wildcat key component of the operations from the nuclear class aircraft carriers as well, alongside the likes of the F-35B Lightning and the Airshow. Now breaking around the control centre, Wildcat away from us. Black one, back pull them. Pull up.
Do you know when you're on the plane and you feel a bit of turbulence, you love it? Yeah.
And final crossing wing over from the 2024 Royal Navy Helicopter Display Team, the Black Cats. As they complete their sequence, it's over to George Baker.
Well, thank you very much, Ben. Just a brief reminder, please, the security announcement for all the visitors here today. And that is to ask you, please, to keep all your baggage with you at all times. And do not leave anything unattended as you can ensure. And then finally, equally important, it is now getting very hot and the sun is very strong.
And it's certainly very capable of putting on a beautiful aerobatic display on one of the smaller air arms within the NATO alliance, the Slovenian Air Force. We're about to see the 152nd Fixed-Wing Squadron flower award winner at the Airshow in the form of Captain Leonardo with the Pilatus PC-9M, who's too good to each script. This really is a display where you can put down your focus and watch it. There is lots of memories used. One cannot slow roll like I've ever seen, and some very impressive forward capability manoeuvring